Mama and I have come to the famous Gandhi market for some shopping before I travel back to UK.
I'm the same. Not your sold and all. Don't sell.
My mom is very good at negotiating. I make sure I select it and I walk away from there. The rest she takes care of. Traveling in a rickshaw or a tuk-tuk has always been my favorite, as well as shopping in Gandhi market. Headed straight to the parlor for a much needed pedicure. And finally, it's time to bring our lady home, my first our lady at Elton's place.
Smile.
Everybody placed the flowers at Mother Mary's feet and took her blessings. And this was something new to us because in our Vado, we never do all this stuff. Look at our Romeo and Juliet, romantically coming on the bike. Finally, it's my favorite part of the day, to say good night.